going to discuss today is apostrophe. Apostrophe is such a tool which enhances and embellishes your writing skills. Before we proceed, let me make it clear that apostrophes are classified as per their usage into possessive cases and contractions, but today we will deal only with the possessive cases. Beginning with the singular possessive cases of nouns, in such a case, we always use an apostrophe before s. Suppose I say dog's owner, dog leash, and Raghav's chain, Raghav's house. In such a case, apostrophe is always used before s. And when we talk about our plural possessive cases, in plural possessive cases, again we have two cases, that is plural regular cases and plural irregular nouns. Now when we talk about regular cases are those which end with s, and our irregular cases are those, although they are plural but they don't end with s. For example, I say children, women, men, all such cases which do not end with s but are plural, they are called as irregular plural nouns. Now, in case of your regular plural nouns, apostrophe is always used after your s and not before s. Similarly, if I talk about players and I use the apostrophe before s, this is the wrong usage of apostrophe, and if I use the apostrophe after s, this is the correct usage of apostrophe. Now, in case of irregular plural nouns, apostrophe should always be used before s, just reverse of what we discussed in the above case, rather than using after s. So here, this is the correct usage of apostrophe and this is the incorrect usage of apostrophe. Similarly, if we talk about women, so we will be using an apostrophe before s rather than using after s, because it's already a plural case. Now, proceeding to our fourth case again has two situations. First situation says that the two nouns, in case of a sentence where two nouns are there and they have a joint possession, that is Soumya and Ananya, they possess same parents or they own same parents, that is they have a joint possession. In such a case, we use an apostrophe just once rather than using twice in a sentence. Now, where to use apostrophe and where to drop the apostrophe? Here we need to drop the apostrophe because we always use the apostrophe with the latest case, with the noun which is used last in the sentence. So this is the point to be noted. Whereas if we talk about two possessive nouns again in these sentences which do have a possession but they possess a separate thing. The possession is not joint in this case. For example, Soumya and Ananya's rooms are both well arranged. In this case, we have to use an apostrophe with both the cases rather than using just once as we discussed earlier. So this is the correct case in this case where the possession is not joint. Now discussing about our fifth case, that is in case of our family's names or our surnames. Here, suppose I talk about Marthas, Chaudhry's, Kapoor's, all these cases. First of all, we always use the surnames or when we are talking about the family in a particular, then we first of all change that noun into plural by adding s, and after that we add an apostrophe after s rather other usage before s. So this is the correct usage. If we are talking about a family, we say Kapoor's party, not Kapoor's party. So this is the correct usage. Now in case of compound nouns, apostrophe and s is used at the end of the word rather than using with the root word. Why are we discussing this point here? Because when we change a compound noun, a singular compound noun into its plural form, so then we always change the root word. Suppose I have to make a plural of mother-in-law, so I will make a change. I'll add the s with mothers rather than adding with in-law. But in case of adding apostrophe, we always add apostrophe at the end, not with the root word. So we generally get confused with this concept. That is why I have discussed the case of compound nouns here. So this is the correct way of using an apostrophe with a compound noun, and this is the incorrect usage of apostrophe. Now our last case is possessive case of pronouns. Possessive cases of pronouns. This is very important because we generally make a mistake in usage of mine, yours, his, hers, theirs. These are all our possessive pronouns, but we can never use an apostrophe along with our possessive pronouns. This is the incorrect way or incorrect usage of apostrophe, whereas this is the correct usage of our possessive pronouns, usage of apostrophe with possessive pronouns. That is, this book is mine, not this book is mine. This shirt is yours. Without apostrophe itself, it is clear that it is indicating the possession. No need to add an apostrophe to show the possession in case of your possessive cases of pronouns. With this, we come to the end of the class, and if you have any queries, any doubts or any comments, please write down in the comment section below. And rest you all know the drill. Subscribe, share and press the bell icon so that you keep on getting our latest updates. Bye, keep smiling, keep reading.